Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back after the weekend. How was your weekend? Was it good? You guys enjoyed it? Okay, excellent. Okay. So, welcome to your numeracy class. Today we will be starting week 15 of our classes and definitely we will be doing some new topics, right? So the new topic or basically the new unit that we will be starting today is unit number 4, and the name of the unit is measurement, right? Now what we will be measurement of length, weight and capacity of something, right? We will be focusing on three things: length, weight and capacity. These are the three things that we will be doing. So before starting with the new topic or the new thing that for today, let's quickly revise what we have done so far. We are already done with number operations, right? And you have done all of the number operations in great detail. We started with the basic intro of or basic hello hi with what is a number operation, right? Then we did a general practice of it, that how to solve the questions. Then we also talked about, let's say if we talk about addition, we did two number addition, we did three number addition, and there were problems as well, right? So it was a detailed process. So after that we did the subtraction. Okay, first tell me, how many number operations do we have? Four. Excellent. What are they? Addition, then we have subtraction, then we have multiplication, and the last one is division, right? And we have practiced the questions of all of them, right? And in our Thursday class we practiced word problems which included two number operations as well, right? Like there was a question in which we are supposed to apply two number operations. Let's say we were supposed to add and we were supposed to multiply as well. Similarly, in some questions we were supposed to subtract and divide as well, right? So we have practiced all of this. So how many of you have practiced that over the weekend? Yes, very well done. All of you have practiced it. Excellent. So, is there any confusion in anything? No, everything is clear. Okay, very well done. So, yes, and I have checked your weekly assessments as well, which were from the number operations. They are all good. So, and if there is any confusion you want to ask me, you can ask me. Okay. So, let's start with today's topic. Okay. So, tell me, how many of you have a ruler? This is a ruler, right? Which I have in my hand. This is a ruler. How many of you have this? So, for what purpose do we use this? For making margins in our copies, right? Okay, yes, this is one purpose. Very good, Elise. We draw margins with this, right? Okay. Any other purpose? If we want to make, let's say, I ask you to please make write a comparison of two things, so you draw a line in the center of your notebook so that you can easily compare two things. Well, this is the second purpose. Very well done. What else? If you want to, okay, so let's look at or let's talk about the main purpose of this. Well, this is used for measuring the length of things, right? The first measurement, the first thing that we will be, or the first measurement unit that we will be talking in today's class is length of an object, right? So in today's class, we will be introducing each other with what is length. I'll be telling you few things and you will be asking me a few questions, or you will add in that, and in this manner it would be a yes, we will enjoy it. So the topic for today is length. What is the length of an object? Length basically tells us that how long an object is. How long an object is. This is known as the length of an object, right? Let's say I have this duster and I want to know that how long this duster is, right? That what is this length? Length is that how long this is, and how and in what direction it is long. This is the length of the duster. This is the width of it, right? We are not talking about the width. We are talking about the length of it. So if I want to measure that how long this is, I'll be using the scale. I'll put it like this. Now see, this will be telling me, now this side of it shows me the length in centimeter. Over here, the centimeter is written in the corner. Whatever the ruler you have, please look at that carefully. In this corner, it will be written either this is in centimeter or meter, right? And over here, the inches is written. So this side gives us the measurement in inches, and this side gives us in the centimeter. So I'll be putting it like this, and this tells me that according to this scale, this duster is of 14 centimeter, right? Similarly, if I want to measure the length of something else, let's say of, okay, over here I have my mobile phone, and if I want to measure that how long this mobile phone is, I'll again put this scale like this, and this is how long is this, sorry, I have to put it like this if I want to measure. Okay, well, mobile phone is 14 centimeter and 14.2 centimeter. Okay, now in order to understand this, that how to measure this, I'm drawing a scale over here. This side tells us the reading in centimeter. Okay, like this scale which I have, one side tells us in centimeter, so I'll be starting from 0, and between the digits, let's say 0, in between 0 and 1 we will be having 10 lines. So I'm making it more clearer so that you can understand this. So I'll be leaving a greater distance between that. Let me draw this again. This is 0, then 10 lines between it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fifth one is a bit longer, and then after 10 we have 1. Got it? Basically the 10th one is longer, this one, this is 1. Then again start 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is a bit longer, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here this is 2. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is 3. And these readings are in centimeter, right? Now let's say whatever the thing I want to measure, if we again talk about this duster, I want to know that how long this duster is. I'll put it like this. Now this is my ruler, right? And I want to measure the length of it. So I'll be putting the duster like this. Now look at here. It starts from 0. Over here, after 1, there are two lines, 1 and 2. So this means that 1.2 centimeter. You will be writing point after that, and you will count the number of lines in that next column, and then you will write it as that this duster is 1.2 centimeter long. Got it? This is how we measure the length of something. Similarly, if I want to measure the length of this marker, I'll put it like this. Look at this. Now this is again up to, so this is again 1.2 centimeter long. Let's say if we have something else, if I want to measure the length of this book, I'll put it like this, start from 0. So if, how many? After 2, only one line. So this means that this is of 2.1 centimeter. So the length of book would be 2.1 centimeter, right? Why? Because the book was coming over here. This is the length of the book. And this is after 2 only one line. So this would be 2.1 centimeter, right? This is how we measure the length. Now, there are two units that we usually use to measure the length of something. The one is centimeter and the other one is meter. These are the two units. If we talk about the standard unit for measuring the length, the standard unit to measure the length is meter. Now, who set this standard? The mathematic rules. These are previously set by the mathematicians, so we just follow the rules that the standard meter unit to measure the length is meter. You are supposed to memorize the standard units of every measurement. Got it? Okay. Okay, now before moving forward, I'm going to share the screen with you. Let's watch this interesting video together, and then we will share the other things as well, okay? Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you. Okay, great.
There was a boy, very sad. He was sitting on a stool, wondering how can he find out how big is his table. He actually wanted to find out the length, so he thought about a measuring tape. So he went to the table and stretched the measuring tape from one end to the other. And after sliding, he found out that the measuring tape said that his table was 9-inch wide. So that was the length that he found out. That's how you find out length.
Okay, so that was interesting video that the boy was sad and he wants to measure the length of a table. So in order to measure that, when this ruler is not enough to measure the length of a big table, right? So for that we will be needing a measuring tape. How many of you have seen the measuring tape? Excellent. Okay, I'll be showing you the picture of that as well. Okay, so but at your age, all of the measurements, sorry, that we will be practicing in class would be with the ruler, right? You will not be needing a measuring tape in the class. Okay, but all of you have this ruler. Now I want you to please open your book, page number 74. This is page number 74. What it says that in the metric system, the standard unit of length is called a meter. Meter is the standard unit, and in order to represent it, we write this small m. Okay, all meter rulers are of the same length. All of the meter rulers, there some of them are of 15 centimeter like this, some of them would be of this size, some of them are double of this of 30 centimeter, which are big one, right? Okay, and all of them are same. And for smaller measures, if we want to measure something which is very small, we will be measuring it in centimeters, right? Your full arm span is about 1 meter. This full arm span, this is of 1 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This means this is of 15, then again 50, 30, again 45, 60, 90. So this full arm span is of 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Got it? Okay. And the width of your little finger is about 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. See, perfectly one. Got it? So these are some tips. Now the octopus is telling you something interesting. It says that the word centi comes from the Latin word centum, meaning 100. The word centi comes from a Latin word which is centum and which means 100. That is why 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Got it? Now in your book there are a few things that you are supposed to measure. Okay, so let's start with the first one, the length of the car. Now, over here we have talked about that the bigger, if something is long, we measure it in meter, and if something is small, we measure it in centimeter. So, what do you think that if the car is long or not, we will be measuring it in meter or centimeter? Definitely in meter. You are just supposed to write that in meter, write M in front of that. We will be using sorry, we will measuring the length of needle in meter or centimeter. Centimeter. Excellent. We will be measuring the height of giraffe in meter or centimeter. In meters. Very well done. The height of your teacher, again in meter. Excellent. Length of a mobile phone, very well done. Length of a crayon, in centimeter, very well done. Okay, so now, and I have to tell you the way, the method of measuring as well, that how do we measure. We just put the thing over the ruler beside it and then measure. Let's say if I want to measure the length of this marker, I'll be putting the ruler like this, starting from 0, and according to this it says that this ruler is about 14 centimeter long, or you can just put it like this as well. See, so this says that the ruler is 14 centimeter long, exactly 14, right? Similarly, if I want to measure the length of this coin is 1.2 centimeter long, right? Similarly, if I want to measure the length of this duster is 13.6 centimeter long, right? So this is the manner that how we measure the length of something. Now, what you're supposed to do, your class activity is that take out your accessories from your bag, let's say your pencils, eraser, sharpener, whatever you have, and measure the length of them with the ruler that you have. Hurry up. Done? Have you noted down the lengths? Well, all of them were small, right? So you have measured them in centimeter. Excellent. Okay, class, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home. Measure different things with your ruler, or if your mother have measuring tape with her, you can take that and measure the big things as well. Let's say what is the length of a table, what is the length of a chair, what is the length of a computer table, dining table, etc., etc. Right? Okay. So share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.